Let us continue with question number 2. We have here the amounts of water tax bill in rupees of 30 houses. Then we have to make a frequency distribution. Then try to see what is the smallest number and the largest. The largest we have 970, I think. Then the smallest is 140. Okay, so we have to group in order to get how many, remember, because maximum 5 to 10 class interval, so we have to group them properly. So find the range first. Then here you see 9 minus 1, it will be 8. Okay, so we have the range is 820, so that means the number are big. So what to do, we will take it 140. So it is number less than that, we will take it 100. Okay, so we'll take different 100 in order to get maximum 5, minimum 5 and maximum 10. So 100 to 200, because the largest is 970, so we should take more than that. Then 200 to 300, 300 to 400, 4 to 5, you plus 100, okay. 500 plus 100 will be 600. 600 plus 100, 700. 700 plus 100, 800. 800, 900. 900 up to 1000, because 970 is less than 1000. How many we get now? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So more than 5, less than 10. So enough. So let us see now. What is the first number? 300. So remember here, the first one, you have to mark 100 up to 199. Here 200 up to 299. 300 you have to mark down. Okay. Here 300 up to 399. 400 up to 499. 500 up to 599, 600 up to 699, 700 up to 799, 800 up to 899, 900 up to 999. So let what I told you, put one of your hand here and then marking. So you do it side by side so that you will not make mistake. Okay. The first one we have 300. It will be between 300 and 400. So you mark it here. Okay, mark 1. Then let me take it down way. 840. 840 will be between 800 to 900. So here you mark 1. Then after that we'll take the second one. 320. 320 mean between 300, greater than 300. Then next one we have 960, greater than 900, so will be in the last one. Then we have come to the next row, 450, greater than 400. Then next one you have 920, greater than 900, it will come the second one. Then we come to the next row, 540, greater than 500. Then 900, it will not be in the first one, it will go to the second one. Okay. Then next we have 740, greater than 700. Then 880, greater than 800. 740, 780, greater than 700. Then 740, greater than 700. Then we have 880, greater than 800. 970, greater than 900. Then 920, greater than 900. Now we have the fifth one. Okay, so we'll cut it diagonal like that. Then 880. Then 660, greater than 600. Then you'll have 140, greater than 100. So we will have 760, greater than 700. 1440 greater than 400. Then 880 greater than 800. Now also 1, 2, 3, 4. Then 400 will not be in the first one, it will be second one. Then 140 greater than 100. Then 100. 200 it will go in the second one, not the first. 150 greater than 100. Then 350 greater than 300. 440 greater than 400. 660 greater than 600. 750 greater than 700 here also. Okay, so from there then you can write nicely, count them and then write properly. So after you finish to mark, it will come like this. Okay, here there are 4, there 1, there, so you calculate, clear, there, so you plus them because they say 30 house, so you will get 30. Then next we'll go to question number 5. Here we have to draw histogram. This one you need graph. Okay, they have class interval and frequency. So what to do, you take graph, you can see this green bold line. Okay, so you draw a line like this. Use your ruler, not with hand. You mark this exactly green one, you draw one like this and one like this. Okay, then for here you have the class interval 10, 15 and all those, so you mark them 1, 1 here. Okay, this one will be 0, this next line will be 15, this one 20, then 25, 30, 35 up to 35. Then here the frequency you have it 30, 98, 80, 58, 29. The smallest is 29, the largest is 98. So you can mark it 10, 10. Okay, frequency you have to divide it equally yourself. Okay, not what the book give, but you have to divide yourself equally. So you mark the first one here to be 10, then 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90 up to 100. Okay, so after you finish to mark like that, then you start the plotting. So using the ruler. Okay, the first one 10 to 15 will be 30. So remember here this is 10, this is 15. Okay, so there you can see here, clear. So you have 10 to 15 because it's given to be 90. So use your ruler and draw this green one. You see, no, 30 here, so you mark there, but use your ruler. Okay, and then drop it down. Then the second one we have 98. So from here you increase there from 9. From 9 here you count this because we have 98 up to here it is 90, but we want 8 more, so count 1, 2, count the small one. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then from there you draw straight and then you drop it down. Then the next one we have 80, so no problem here, so you draw like that, you drop down. Then next one we have 58, so the same thing, you go up to 50. Then you count the small one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then you drop it there and draw. Okay, then the last one we have 39, so you go like that, 10, 20. Okay, then you will have 30. Okay, I made mistake here, from 30 then you count 9. Okay, so here we have 30, no, count 9. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So you mark like that and then you drop it down. Okay, so that's finished. Then next, here remember already given here, you see class interval. So here also you write class interval. Then here they give frequency. This is y-axis. Okay, so you write frequency. So the name of this graph, remember, histogram. Then we have to write the scale factor. If we count 1 unit from here to here, how many small lines we have? If you see, okay, count there, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So that means in this one small box we will have 10. So that is why we get 10 small lines. Okay, if you count this side also, if you count this side also, in one small box there is 10 small lines. So that's why we write 10 small line. Okay, this is x-axis, that means from here. So 10 small line, it is equal to what? 20 minus 10, you will get 10 units. Then this side, 15 minus 10, it will be 5 units. So with that, we finish.